we were super psyched when, you know, when we knew that we were going to vacation and have another road trip the second time around from LA. We came obviously because we had our very close friend's wedding, so we jumped on the opportunity to just make a road trip out of it and had to ensure that we got back to the wedding in time, you know, just making that circle.
We could have easily said, all right, well, we have a wedding. Okay, let's fly down the day before, we'll get ready, we'll do the wedding, we'll fly back the day after. But I mean, come on, you know, you're in Jamaica. Why would you do that?
So we grabbed our map and we sat together and we decided.
It was cool because in a way we were looking forward to the things that we experienced before. But not only that, but we are excited about the unexpected, what was going to happen, the new things we were to experience.
And it was perfect, it was well worth it.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
Wow. I'm Callie.
And I'm Steven.
And we're taking a road trip around Jamaica.
This time with baby Nyla. Come with us!
Hello again.
Hi Nyla. Hi.
Say hi, Nyla.
Here is the credit card.
And the driver's license.
Let's go. California approved.
Thank you.
Hey.
All right, here you go. All right, great. Good seeing you guys again.
Good to see you.
All right. All the best.
How's our week gonna be?
Good.
All right, fantastic.
Thanks, Talia. Thank you so much.
All right, take care.
Say bye-bye, Nyla.
Sign right there, please.
There you go.
All right.
Thank
Let me
you.
give
All right,
a
my
couple
friend.
report. All right.
I think this is it, Cali. Pegasus, Jamaica. Wow, this is a huge building. All right, how are you doing?
Good, are you? Good, sir. Wonderful.
Hi, welcome to Jamaica and Jamaica Pegasus. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Super tired, but you know, good.
Yeah, long flight.
Okay, we'll get a quick check-in for you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Someone is very tired.
She's gone.
Yeah.
Ready for the bed.
I'm just gonna give you a card to fill out.
Okay.
You sign that up and up to your room. Just a signature is what I need.
Here?
Yes?
All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay, what's the room?
You're on the 14th floor, room 407.
All right.
Okay.
All right, can we all fit? Yes. Yes, we can. All right, so we're on the 14th floor. We're on the floor. Good morning.
Wow, so it's the country kitchen. I am super hungry.
You know what I miss? I miss ackee and saltfish. I hope we can have some of that.
And I miss some great callaloo with saltfish. Isn't that great?
I just miss Jamaican food altogether.
I know.
Here we go. So
Oh my gosh, the smell.
you hold your plate and I will
Breadfruit.
dish it out.
Oh my callaloo and saltfish.
You want some breadfruit?
Sorry. Yes, thank you. My plate is now. Even
Ready?
she loves the Jamaican food. Look at you.
Small scoop of eggs. So
That looks really nice.
I'm completely relaxed and pampered right now. This is the place to go. The nanny has Nyla and Steven's away, and this is what I do in the privacy of my own time. Yeah. Look at these, honey, darling. I really like this one. Yay! Nyla, what do you say? Do you love it? Yeah?
yard beat to the world. Huh?
Cool.
Or
turn into something heavy men only. Jamaica me born, that's where me going, so.
It looks like Kuya is the place to be, so if you need to get styled up, come to Kuya.
I found one, honey.
Yeah, that could work.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Soul Rebel.
Nice and bright, just how I like it.
Reminds me of Bob Marley, eh?
Yeah.
All right, we'll take that one, definitely.
Colorful, like he prefers dark colors, so.
Yeah, but it's so hot here.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like this is gonna work.
It.
Yeah, it's nice,
I
huh?
really do, I'm not just saying that.
Stripes. Stripe. Brush off the shoulders. Style.